how you can change Wispr Flow language as easy as possible. So there are two different languages which you can change. You can change app language or dictation language. If you want to change your app language, go to Wispr Flow and in the left down corner area open settings. Once you are here, make sure you are in general section, and at the bottom you will find here app language. Here on the right you can select the actual app language. There is only available English, German and Spanish and Italian and Portugal language. But if you want to change dictation language, you need to navigate to dictation languages and here change button and here select your actual language which you want to dictate. So you can select multiple ones for best results. You can also click here auto detect and then simply save and close. And at the bottom of your screen, if you have your flow bar, you can navigate here and here is the globe icon. You can click that, change language, and if you click it, it's gonna change the dictation language. You can do it quickly here in your flow bar. But from my experiences, it knows every language which you're gonna dictate. You don't have to change it here. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time. Thank you.